Okay guys, kind of a half afterthought here. Got this stuff, had it for a while, thought it was a gimmick. Actually went to using it and I'm kind of impressed. So just like it shows on the front here, step 1, step 2, you got the two-sided pad here. It works, okay? So 2000 Civic headlight looks like this, pretty hazy, pretty foggy. I've only done step 1 so far, but look at that. That's pretty crazy. So I'll do this one next and I'll show you a difference. So here's the step 1. Here's all I did. Spooged some on the pad here. I didn't even read the instructions. Here you can see, there you can see the lens, so we'll get to rubbing here. I'm just gonna do up to this point here just to show you. It has a pretty funky smell to it. I don't know what exactly is going on there, but the stuff works. You can see already how much clearer that got. Look out, buddy. I don't know if you can see the line here. It's obvious to me, clear, very unclear. So I'm gonna finish that off and then I'll go on to the next step. Okay, there you've seen it, and I did the polish. Amazing difference. You just seen the picture, the before and after. These things were hazy and all screwy. Now they're clear. I'm impressed. Thumbs up from me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.